to another brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom thumbnail to your YouTube video. So this is a very easy process. First of all, you need to open YouTube. I'm using Google Chrome as a browser. From YouTube, you need to upload a video first in order to add a thumbnail to your video. So now I'm going to upload a video. Depending on the internet connection, it will take some time. Okay, just be with me for some time. I will select the files. So I want to upload this video. Okay, I will open. I will give the title of the video how to become a freelancer. Okay, so it will take some time to upload the video on your YouTube channel. If the video is already uploaded, you can easily auto generate the thumbnail from the video, or you can upload a file uh, which is like uh, 16:9 ratio, and the thumbnail should be less than 2 megapixel. Okay, so this is the process through which you can upload thumbnail in your video. You can easily test and compare, like you can upload 3 different images and test and compare which thumbnails goes better for your video. Like if I click on auto generated, it will auto generate the pictures from the video for your thumbnail. It is taking some time. Okay, let me show you the how you can add custom thumbnail to your video. Click on upload file. Okay, then choose your desired thumbnail. This is my thumbnail. I want to add this thumbnail to my video. I can easily upload the thumbnail for my video, and it will easily be my thumbnail for this video. So this is the process through which you can upload the thumbnail for the video, for your video. And you can also auto generate the video, auto generate from that section. This is the process through which you can add thumbnail for your video, YouTube video. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Do let us know what kind of YouTube videos you like from us. Thank you.